Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home. Now, I really love my coffee, and it's really important when you brew your coffee to start out with the very best water. Now, I used to just use filtered water out of the fridge, and it was okay. But then I saw on Shark Tank, some guys came on, and they had this product called Third Wave Water. And what this is, it's some minerals that you put into distilled water, and then it creates really the best chemistry for brewing your perfect cup of coffee. Now, I have to say, when I saw the Shark Tank thing, I thought, I'm not so sure about that. Sounds kind of weird. But I went ahead and tried it, and I've been using it ever since. So what you do is you get this pack. It's called Third Wave Water. It comes in 3 different profiles. This is a classic profile for your basic kind of light brew. They also have a dark brew profile and an espresso profile, if that's what you make. And what you do is you just take one of these little packets, and this has magnesium sulfite, calcium citrate, and sodium chloride, which is interesting. Anyway, so it comes in these little packets, and this packet is designed to make 1 gallon of water. So you get a gallon of distilled water, just like this, from the grocery store. And you cut up your packet. I find it works better with a scissor. And all you do is you pour the stuff in there, put the lid back on. Then I like to give it a little shake. And I usually just put it in my cabinet and let it dissolve for a while. But, you know, basically it should dissolve pretty quickly, and within a few minutes you can go ahead and make your coffee with your fresh water. So that's it. That is the Third Wave Water. And it's really great, and it really makes your coffee taste good. And another added benefit about it is that it really helps protect your coffee maker from lime scale. So, you know, it's really hard to clean that stuff out of your coffee maker, and this really keeps it operating a lot better. Thank you.